Hello friends, today we are discussing another problem on the chapter magnetic effects of electric current. So the problem says that an ionized gas contains both positive and negatively charged ions if it is subjected simultaneously to an electric field along positive x direction and a magnetic field along positive z direction, then positive ion deflect towards y axis y direction and negative towards negative y direction. So it's majorly asking about the deflection of the both the charged particles, positive and negative. So the deflection, as you all know, occurs. So we know that the deflection occurs when F net is not equal to 0. So when the particle is moving in a direction, in a certain direction, and a force acts in certain other direction like this, or any direction like this, so the particle is bound to get deflected from its original trajectory. So we need to find the deflection of the particle. Since the electric field is in positive x direction, so the electric field is in this direction and the magnetic field is in this direction. So we need to find the deflection of the particles. So let us first break the problem into two pieces. For positively charged ions, first we will talk about the positively charged ions. Since we know that the positive charges move in the direction of the electric field, so we need to write the force by the magnetic field. So the force by the magnetic field is Q into V cross product B, where V is the velocity of the particle, and B is the magnetic field of the in which the particle is traveling. So the Q that we have is Q is sense of positive charge and V is in direction of I cap, because the positively charged particle will move in the direction of electric field. Since the electric field points in positive x direction, so we have positive I cap cross B, and the magnetic field is along z axis, so we get it as k cap. So we know that the cross product of I and k, that is I cross k, would give us negative j cap, where j is the y axis. So our positively charged ions would displace in the negative y direction. This is the first part solved. Now we do it the same way for negatively charged particles. Negatively charged, spelling error, charged particles. Now we know that the negatively charged particles would move opposite to the direction of the electric field, that is, they would move in this direction. So we have negative Q, since the particle is negatively charged, and V cross minus I cap cross B positive K cap, because the magnetic field remains the same. Now we have it as negative Q into V B, and minus I cross K cap gives us positive J cap. Now since we can write this negative sign with the direction, so we get Q VB into minus J cap. Now minus J cap symbolizes that the negatively charged particle would also travel in the negative y direction. So we get that both the charges, whether it is positive or negative, both will travel in the negative y direction. So the C part is correct answer. C is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.